Okay, you are going to see in this lesson a little bit about the configuration of the WordPress in backend, and on the top you are going to see if you want to visit your website, or if you are in your front end, then you can also click and go to your dashboard. And we are since in backend and we have dashboard, and there are some information, and the top one is like update of WordPress, and we are going to dismiss that one. And now we have like WordPress, welcome to WordPress, and we are going to see that customize. If we are going to customize our website, we are definitely going to do that, but not now. And if we are going to write like write your first blog post and add about page, you are going to write like posts and pages. What is post and what is pages, I will definitely tell you. And you can also see that you have post here and pages here, and you are going to view your site as well, like we already did that one. And you can manage with widget and or menu. We are going to see and go on each and every one of that one. And at a glance you have one post, one comment and one page. What are those comments and page? If you are going to see that, you have like that one post which is already installed and it is saying hello. And if you are going to come like in that post, you are going to click that one, and you have like one comment as well, like hi, this is a comment to get started with monitoring, editing and deleting. You can do whatever you want, but we are going to see that how we are going to do that one. And for doing so, we are going to come in dashboard, and in dashboard we have like post, and we are going to click all post. And we don't want that one which has been installed by default. We are going to click that one, and we will come here. Either we are going to edit or we can just move to trash, but right now I'm going to move that to the trash. And now it moved, and we have like pages, and I will also have two pages which I don't want that to one as well. And we are going to make our own pages, and we are going to delete that one as well, because we are cleaning each and everything. And in comment, since I have already deleted the post and the comment already gone. Now what else we have, like if you want, for example, media, you want to add some sort of images or like videos, you can add in that media. And you can moderate or edit or whatsoever you want, you can do that in comment section. And next we have appearance, like if we want to edit the UI design or customization of the website, we can completely do that from here. And we will go through each and every that setting here which is included in appearance. And you have plugin. Plugin is one of the most powerful section of the WordPress, where the developer are working and making each and everything easy for you. And we are also going to take the help of plugin and make our website without coding, and that is due to some of plugins which we are going to install in the next lesson. And therefore, if you are going to see that we have a lot of powerful like integration, if you want, in your WordPress website, then you can definitely use a lot of plugins which will be easy for you to just integrate in your website. If I'm going to click in plugin, you will see some of default plugin which have been installed here. I'm going to remove that one as well and move that to like delete everything and apply here. And you can see now it will be deleted, and I don't need any one of that one. And we are going to install the plugins ourselves. And next we are going to come in setting, and we have like journal, and you can see that we have the site title site which we just written in the process of installation, but the tagline was not there. But we are going to just change the tagline. If you are going to see that we have zero coding, here is the title, and just another WordPress website. I don't want that, should be with zero coding. I will write here something else, like build, create, or build website without coding experience. I think that is more relevant with zero coding experience. Okay, And what else we are going to do? Everything is completely fine for now, because the URL should be like this one. And if you want to change the format of date, you can change that one. Like right now we have by default that should just bring like November 21st in 2018, like it is month, and we have date and year. You can also change the formation or the format like this one, and the time also you can change that one. And one thing else we are going to do, that it is permalink. And permalink is how your website or your article should be represented. Like there should be date here in the top URL of your website. I just say that no, there should not be that, just only the post name or page name should be there. Then we are going to write this one. We will just click on the post name and it will just click on that one, and nothing else we will change. Just save the changes, and we are ready to configure our website. And we are going to, in next lesson, we are going to just add some default theme, which is most popular themes in WordPress, and we are going to customize and see that how can we build amazing website with such a powerful CMS like open source in the next lesson. Thank you everyone. Give me permission for now. Goodbye.